Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to explain the 3 new additions later added to their advanced trading options. First is atomic orders. Think of this as a stealth mode for large traders. It's a way for institutions or whales to move large amounts of money discreetly without moving the market too much. Normally, if someone tried to buy 500,000 shares at once, everyone in the market would see the giant order. The price would spike up higher and the trader would end up getting a much worse average price. It would also attract front runners looking to profit from the obvious buying pressure. Instead, the algorithm treats that massive position as a parent order and breaks it down into thousands of tiny atomic orders, sometimes buying only 50 to 100 shares over several hours or a whole trading day. These atomic orders are usually only a tiny fraction of the asset's total volume for the day, which makes them a lot harder to detect. The strategy can alternate between market orders to immediately grab liquidity and limit orders to patiently wait for better prices, depending on which approach provides the best execution at that moment. The end result is that a giant position will get filled much more smoothly, with less slippage and far less attention from other traders. In a sense, it acts like a camouflage, helping large traders hide their true intentions while working towards a way better average price. Most traders won't ever need this feature, but if you're trading with a very large amount of money, it can become very useful. Next is advanced TWAP. TWAP stands for time weighted average price. With a basic TWAP, you can automate your entries or exits by splitting them into smaller orders that execute at fixed intervals. For example, you could tell the platform to buy 100 shares every 60 seconds. The problem is that those predictable patterns can be detected by high frequency trading bots. If your order executes every 60 seconds like clockwork, sophisticated traders can identify that behavior and potentially trade around you. Advanced TWAP solves this problem by being much more stealthy. Instead of executing exactly every 60 seconds, you can randomize the timing. It might wait 42 seconds, 50, then 70 seconds before placing the next order. It also randomizes the size of each slice. Instead of buying exactly 100 shares each time, it may buy 90, 85, or 99. If market conditions suddenly change, like a sharp spike of liquidity or a drop of liquidity, the algorithm can slow down execution or limit its participation rate so it doesn't accidentally move the market. It can also switch between passive limit orders and market orders, depending on which method will likely provide the best execution under the current market conditions. Realistically, most retail traders won't need these advanced settings. High frequency trading bots aren't really interested in taking down $1,000 positions. These tools are primarily designed for larger traders who need to execute substantial orders as efficiently and discreetly as possible. Case limit orders are basically smart market orders. Instead of buying or selling at a fixed price like a normal limit order, a chase limit automatically follows the best available price on the order book to try and get you filled more efficiently. You choose how closely you want your order to follow the market using the distance from best bid option, and how far you're willing to let the local price deviate from the global index price using max index price distance. As the order book moves, your chase limit continuously updates to maintain those settings. The goal is to get you a better fill than a regular market order while still executing relatively quickly. Let's just say Bitcoin's best bid is 70,000 and I set my distance from best bid to $5. My order would sit at 69,995. If the best bid moves up to 70,010, my order automatically moves up to 70,005, maintaining that $5 cushion while chasing the market. This is especially useful for larger positions because it can help reduce slippage and avoid overpaying when entering a trade or underselling when exiting a trade. Most beginners won't need it, but it's a really powerful tool once you understand how it works. Lighter is super active on their updates and are always taking suggestions from traders like us on their Discord. If your DEX doesn't have these options and you want to trade with zero fees, you could sign up for lighterdex using my referral link in the description below. It'll give you a 25% bonus points boost for future airdrops as well. Thanks for watching, guys.
Oh man.